Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can convert any hex color value to its RGB value so that you can copy and paste and use that RGB value of that particular color anywhere. So in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have and here you have to search for RGB.2. Just simply go over there and now here it will ask you to type your color value. It can be hex value or something else as well. Now for example I can just directly copy and paste it over here and it says convert hex color, and once you do that it will take some time and convert that hex color value and generate its RGB value. You can see the color values have been generated. You can see the color current RGB values, even the different values for the same has been also generated, and I can copy and use them wherever I want. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.